Okay, and this video is for the Coleman BottleTop Stove. This doesn't come with a bottle of gas, but it comes with the top and the base. And right here on the bottom is where you're gonna screw it in. But these are very easy to use. You're just gonna screw that in until it's decently tight. Put it into the base and you're ready to go. You got your gas here. We'll turn it on. You can start hearing it. Okay, gas is already coming. Okay, and then when you're ready to light, start your lighter and then slowly turn this on. And there you go, and it's lit. And we can turn the gas up for an even stronger flame. And that is full on max. Now you can put a pan over it and start cooking. Turn it down a little bit. You still see it blue, and then if it ends up going off, there it's off. Then you just need to relight it. Get it to the point that you like it. Okay. So very easy to use. Does not come with the propane tank of gas, but easy to break down and take apart and put in your pack for camping, and you're ready to go. Highly recommend, definitely pick up one of these bottle top stoves.